Welcome to the news channel OJPRD News. Let's begin with this news. Japan full Fujifilm ramps us capacity for possible COVID-19 drugs. Japan Fujifilm Holding says it has expanded manufacturing capacity to the magnificently increases production of its anti-flu drugs, Evigan, that is being tested as a treatment for COVID-19. Fujifilm expected to increase the production of Evigan up to 1 lakh treatment courses by July 2020, about 2.5 times more than at the beginning of March. By September, it's expected to able to produce 3 lakh courses, it said in the statement on Wednesday. Fujifilm is conducting clinical trials of Evigan on patients of COVID-19 both at home and in the US. There is another news which I am getting from Thailand. Thailand was extended a ban on incoming passenger flight until the end of the month, the Civil Aviation Authority of Thailand said on the Wednesday. Earlier this month, the country interior minister said land border in the 21 precautions would be responded on the Saturday to allow the Thais in the neighboring countries to return home. Up to 100 people will be allowed to enter at each border checkpoint a day, and they will be subjected to a 14-day state quarantine. So this is the short news which I have delivered from the OJPRD News. Thank you for watching us. Bye bye.